The new RIDGID 18V Brushless Framing Nailers make no compromises, featuring 750 nails per charge, sequential bump fire, and the ability to double your capacity with an optional expanded magazine. The RIDGID 18V Brushless Framing Nailers allow you to focus on getting the job done, knowing you've got all the power you need without the added bulk, noise, and inconvenience of conventional gas and pneumatic systems. Getting to work is as fast and simple as, and then you're ready to go. The RIDGID 18V Brushless Framing Nailer gets the job started quicker, quieter, and more efficiently, all while still delivering the power to drive 3.5-inch framing nails into LVL wood beams, and the speed to drive up to 3 nails per second, getting your job done quicker and with more confidence. And it's covered by the industry's best lifetime service agreement, free batteries, free parts, free service for life.